There are various ways to install Python on your computer. For new Python users, installing Anaconda is highly recommended. Anaconda will install Python, Jupyter Notebook app, and many packages for scientific computing and data science. Please remember that Anaconda constantly updates its products and website like any other online service. So the functionalities will likely remain the same even if their interface or organization looks slightly different when you access their webpage. In any case, remember to always look for a free-to-download individual edition. That said, let's open www.anaconda.com and click on the free download button at the top of the homepage. Then you'll be asked to send your email to Anaconda, but you can also choose Skip Registration. We'll do the latter, directing you to the download page for the installer. By pressing the download button, Anaconda will suggest the best version that suits your operating system. Alternatively, you can scroll down and manually pick a version for one of the three: Windows, Mac, or Linux. In this lesson, I'll show you how to install Anaconda on Windows, but the procedure is practically identical for Mac or Linux. Additionally, you'll see that each operating system lists Python 3.13. This is the latest version of Python as of this recording. If this is no longer current, please select the most recent version. To download the available Windows version, click 64-bit Graphical Installer. Then you must find a directory to install the distribution and press Save. When the download has finished, run the application. Then follow the instructions provided by the standard Windows installer. Click Next to agree and select a default or specific destination folder. To choose the latter, press the Browse button. When satisfied with the indicated directory, choose Next once again. Then follow the recommendations made by the installer. For example, I'd like shortcuts created and will only select the recommended options, omitting the second one. Click Install and wait for confirmation that the operation is complete. That's all you need to do. You've just installed the complete Anaconda distribution, which includes Python, a text editor, and numerous applications and packages. Now click Next. Select only Launch Anaconda Navigator and hit Finish to open the Anaconda Navigator, an interface for managing your installed Anaconda features. The Jupyter Notebook interests us, so click the button under its icon to launch it. This will open a new tab in your browser with the Jupyter dashboard, which displays your user's folder by default. Bear in mind that there's an alternative for starting Jupyter. Open the Windows Start menu and select the respective icon. A new window will appear, and the app should load within a few seconds. When done, your web browser will again open a new tab containing the same Jupyter dashboard. In our next video, we'll study the dashboard in detail and learn how to use Jupyter. See you there! Thanks for watching.